Hi, enthusiast and pro. Welcome to another session of our intraday plays. And today we'll be looking at different currencies and, most importantly, commodities. So, to begin with, let's pan towards the charts and see how the market has been playing. So, first on our watch list, as usual, let's pan towards the gold charts. Let me share my screen with you. Exactly. So, it's looking like good left us earlier, but we don't have to rush it as usual. But so this is what the chart looks like for gold. As you can see from last week's low to this week's current high, gold has seen respecting regions the 61, the 50, 38, and of recent yesterday we tested the 61.8% fib level, and ever since it's been on a rise from here to this top. And earlier we were anticipating that we get a retracement, but unfortunately, I think it responded very fast and it's still surging. Hopefully, we get a retracement and we can capitalize on that. For now, gold is not giving anything suitable for us to work with. So let's look at the Euro USD. So Euro USD on our watch list. If you're following us on our community, we dropped some currencies and some currency pair for to look out for, and Euro USD is one of them. Uh, it's bearish. Looking at the charts, this is a 4-hour time frame, and from last week is been on a decline, and currently looking like we have a retracement into the fib level. Yes, yeah, currently, yes, it's up. So, so right now, Euro USD is bearish, and it looks like we are having a retracement. Yeah, we have a retracement right now. So we have to be patient with price action for it to give us exactly what we are seeking. So looking at the charts, we have it looks like we have an exhaustion and we are headed the 61.8% fib level. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So this is what it looks like here on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So we'll be looking at this zone for a possible sell back down. But before jumping on any trade, we'll pan towards the lower time frame, the 15, the 5 minutes for candle formation that will inform us that yeah, we have sellers that are active. That is this the zone will be telling us this is a supply zone. Euro USD, we are anticipating that kind of formation on the lower time frame. USD JPY, here we have it. As you can see, this is the 4 hour time frame from it's been on the bullish surge from last week. This was the low, and then currently this is the highs of this week. And right now it seems like we have a retracement into the fib level and coinciding with the Bollinger Circle of completion. So let's look at the 1 hour. So Again, we'll be anticipating for a candle formation somewhere here. You see, it has broken the 61.8% fib level and it's headed the last fib, the last straw. So we'll be looking at how price reacts here and if we're going to get a confirmation on the lower time frame. GBP JPY. So let's look at what we have. Okay, same bullish trend from last week, gave a retracement earlier. Okay, this is it's currently having a retracement, and let's look at the 1 hour time frame, see how it's playing out. So looks like we have a retracement, a circle of completion here, and um, it's looking right for a buy to the upside. Yes, it's looking right. Let's look at what the 5 minutes is like. So yes, this is looking very perfect for a buy right now on GBJPY. So for anybody who would like to jump in on this definitely will have to be the SL where I just marked this one, and then your entry though look like late but not late. As you can see, this is a divergence. First confirmation gave a retracement here. It gave a candle formation here, a bullish pin, and then moved up. Then again, retested the pulling gap. Now price has broken the neckline. This is the neckline, and since we are headed to the top, yeah. So for those that are actively trading currency, GPGPY is giving the vibe. You can as well jump in on this to the upside, bullish trend, bullish confirmation on GBP, JPY. We have BTC. So let's look at what we have for BTC. So for quite a number of days now, for a while now, BTC has been on a decline. It's been plummeting, and I think from the weekend, it tested a level more like a support zone, and ever since it's been on a surge. And currently, we are having a retracement, and we gave a bullish signal this morning in our trading club, trading community, and right now it seems like we should be prepared for something magical. Yeah, right. So it's retracing perfectly, and this is a perfect zone. It's looking like a perfect zone. Circle of completion on the 1 hour here, and let's look at the lower time frame to see where we can come in. Yes, so in the case where we have a bullish candle formation back into this zone and then a break of this neckline, we can decide to jump in on the buy to the upside. So be vigilant on the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes time frame for a candle formation that will inform us for a buy continuation. USD card, yes, this is bullish as well. So let's plot it accordingly. From the lows last week, it's been on a rise. Yes, so this is it. Lows to the highs and currently respecting a level that's the 50% fib level and the mid bullion gap. But then again, we have to be patient. We need price to complete its circle here to the downside. So as this region will be a very confident region for us to buy from. So this region, let me put a mark on it. So here, USD card here is the region. And then let's pan towards the lower time frame to see what it looks like there. So that will be a region to look out for here before we can decide to buy to the upside. So patience as usual, patience, patience, patience. So here, so give it, mark this with them and be vigilant. Observe the price action. What else? We have S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 for the most part of this week and last week seen a bullish trend. So let's plot this feed accordingly from the lows to the highs, and let's see where we can come in. So this is S&P 500. We are expecting a retracement as usual to that zone, a preferred region. So we don't just jump on any trade. We need the right entry so as for you not to get caught while at it. So it's very, very important that we stick to a process, and that process is the habit of waiting for the setup to come to you instead of rushing. So this is what we have for S&P 500. So it's not really looking clear, but it's a bullish trend definitely. So, and looking at this is looking like we have you could push up from here, yes, because there's a cluster of indicators here serving as support. Lower lows, high high, lower lows, high highs, lower lows again. Definitely might push up from here. So whatever the case might be, this can be a level to consider for an SL, but you just have to be patient. Watch how price react first before jumping on this one. So let's look at the lower time frame to see what the possibilities are. Come on. Yeah, it's not really looking killer, but this is definitely going to push anytime soon. But let's let's observe it while we're here. This is Nasdaq 100, right? So we are waiting for this one as well. This is giving us a retracement vibe currently. Yes, currently it's giving a retracement vibe, and this is more like it's a completion, almost the same with S&P 500. So let's watch how price reacts and see where we can come. So it's breaking out from this zone. So this is the mid Bollinger and the, let me enlarge the screen. This is the mid Bollinger looking like a possible region for a buy continuation. So let's give this a very good markup so we don't miss out on this here. So let's see how price reacts. Let's see where it could get to here. Let's go to S&P 500 to see where we can as well jump in here. Could be could get here and it might not. So let's observe and then take profit probably to the upside here. So let's see how if price is going to retrace into this level to give us a very good risk to reward. Have our LCL somewhere below this week, and again make sure you are planning towards the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, the 5 and the 15 minutes time frame, so you don't just jump in on anything. This is from those eyes, maybe, and then look before it pushes back up. So there's a possibility that price pushes up from here because there is a clustering of the Bolinga, the Fib, the mid Bolinga here, and price might not give an opportunity for a retracement back down and then pushes up. But you just have to keep watching and observe the chart. So I think gold is still hovering around. Let's see what we can come in for gold. Hmm. So for today, gold has been bullish, and this is what I'm thinking. I'm trying to see where we can come in for gold, and right now it's still not the momentum to the upside is not much. It's tracing, and let's see if it can give us another opportunity for a buy continuation. So for the day so far, gold has actually gave a retracement here, and then second retest, and now is given an opportunity to enter for a continuation. So we have an overlap here with the mid Bolinga and the 38.2% fee level. What if we have our SL here for a buy continuation? Yeah, here. Yes. What if we have it there? So this gave a perfect entry earlier, and right now, as you can see, the circle of completion coinciding with the Bolinga and it pushed up. So a little retracement right now might see gold push higher. So if you intend to buy meticulously, you can just put yourself here and see how it plays out. And this is if you are entering as 4142 4 so I think it's too tight. So not less. Now, from a perspective of the tariffs, you find a lot of companies have fallen on inventory, so we don't think there's going to be quite as much sticker shock as people walk into retailers. And they can finally, and we are talking about a short week from a trading perspective, but let's be clear, it's Black Friday, so we go to have people on the ground. We're really going to get that thing. There's so much quicker this time around. So we're going to have a real temperature change. On the consumer. And I think that that is going to be the underpinnings and the start of addressing. Some of the strategies. But we know that the consumer has continued to spend. How do you weigh up if you get some of that strong data from Black Friday versus so waiting, let's watch our price react. I think what's the shakiness is people are just wondering about how will we go from with this AI. Yeah, it's a breakout. And it's going to be, and going in with expectations for earnings growth was 6.5%, and we came in at 15.1%. The narrative about and we're investing significant amounts of money into AI in various parts of our business, and we're not Is it fair to argue though that we have these shifted, we're not saying this is a global bursting, but we have these shifted into a phase where it's conscious evaluation for AI companies, and if that's the phase that we're in now, what does that mean about how much more juice can be squeezed from the AI trade and have these impact on the influence of the result? Look, we've gone in terms of AI from having this kind of use cases and for use cases we started, we then narrowed it down. And now we're starting at that phase and we need to get those use cases into production. And
charts. Can you zoom in a bit? The same and much better.
That's the part of AI it's so important is taking use cases in production and then see Executive do we get for using an AI summarization or injecting AI tools to generate information for them? So we're now actually starting to see calculations of time saving. We're also starting to
So it looks like we have rejection here. Circle of completion for Euro USD and is corresponding nicely. So this is the 15. Can you see this bearish pin? So this is looking like a very good confirmation for a sell continuation to the downside for Euro USD. So
how much are you looking to both the Federal Reserve to cut rates, but also some sort of fiscal impetus at the beginning of 2026 to fuel some sort of upside across the board?
So selling Euro USD right now isn't the right idea. SL could be here, and then let's see if we can ride it back down.
And the reason is that the Fed has been so much behind.
Yes, so preferably this would be a take profit zone.
Shutdown, and some of this data is going to be delayed, and the most important piece
Here, a close of the Bollinger on the 1 hour time frame.
So I think that
SL entry is going to 15 years entry SL here, and let's see if we can ride it back down to the zone. Euro USD sell position looking tasty right now. Look at this formation, the candle formation. This is a bearish pin, very hammerhead. So it's a very good confirmation right now. And on the 5 minutes as well, we have full bearish candle. Yes, so Euro USD sell confirmation, sell continuation to the downside in play. Take profit at this level. This is the 1 hour. That's to the Bollinger of the 1 hour. USD JPY. The bullish setup right now playing along the 61.8% fib level and the Bollinger. And let's look at the lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So here we have a confirmation here, went backward, down, look at this week. So this can be SL zone. Yes, here. And then we can decide to see if we can ride it back up. Let's look at 1 hour where our take profit could be. Yes, here. Here. Possible. So this is what the 5 minutes is like. Tested here, rejected, tested, rejected along the Bollinger. And right now we have like a confirmation of a bullish continuation to the upside. USD JPY is giving the buy continuation. So whatever you do, if you trade currency pairs, this is an ideal zone for your SL and entry to the upside. USD JPY. JPY. Yeah, I think we bought this one earlier. So yes, this is going SL here, buy to the upside, JPY, buy continuation, confirmation here. Let's go at the lower time frame. Yes, push. So yeah. I think gave a confirmation to the upside. I think we bought this one earlier this week. Oops. BTC bullish setup, and it's giving a vibe for a buy continuation a cycle completion here on the 1 hour time frame, coinciding with the Bollinger and 38.2% fib level. Let's look at the lower time frame to see if you have a confirmation here. So rejection. So got the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, looking like we have something to work with. This could be SL zone just below, somewhere here, and then we continue to the upside for BTC as well. A bullish trend. USD card.
Bring down tariffs, for example. It's been the administration going out there talking about the need to cut health
So
policy.
this is where we're looking at a circle of completion here. Bollinger and let's go to lower time frame. So here, very busy zone. Like you can have a continuation as well, but no confirmation yet. Doesn't look right. So you can skip that one. Oops, this one. I think we called this earlier. So if you're following, if you started the live with me, all of these were set up that were active, and we gave regions of concern. And right now, as you can see, this is pushing high, surging up nicely. And say something like this, of course, this reporting will allow for that 2 years. So yeah, we're expecting more details from secretary Scott Bessent for the weekend, saying he was going to unveil some more details for
on
Nasdaq,
perhaps some of that will bring
we're
more
anticipating a retracement.
This is updating stories.
This is the region of concern, circle of completion. Yeah, and on the lower time frame, it's giving a vibe. So we can as well decide to have our SL somewhere below
Lisa, thank you. Well, as
here,
you were saying,
and
Treasury
then
Secretary Scott Bessent is saying the Trump administration is
we
planning
can
a
continue the ride to the upside
Bessent
here.
is urging Republicans to up the plan
Buy for
to address
Nasdaq as well. All the signals are playing right. For Euro JPY as well, giving a confirmation, the test of the 61% fib level, overlapping the Bollinger as well. And as you can see, price is respecting and surging. Let's look at the wow, respected and it's pushing. So if you're part of our community on WhatsApp and Telegram, you must have gotten this update earlier before now. The bullish trades and Euro USD. I think Euro USD is the only bearish one. Yes, the only bearish signal here. So USD JPY. This is gold. We are still waiting for confirmation. Still not giving a perfect signal. So USD is still playing nice. Sell position. This is what I'm looking at for this SL zone. So looking at the bigger time frame, the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, tested the 61 and we have a circle of completion here. So we're anticipating that price starts declining from here. So for every other one, it's been bullish and we are still bullish. If you joined earlier, if you are taking some of this, you should be in profit. S&P 500 pushing hard, surging nicely, and we have Nasdaq Yeah. So we're anticipating price to get here for Euro JPY and SL just below here. Here, this is a very good risk to reward. For 140. I think this is just like 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2. But let's see what the daily is like. Yeah, 1 to 2. Yeah, just 1 to 2 for Euro JPY. Still low. Okay. So we're here, still anticipating for price to test this level, coinciding with the Bollinger circle of completion. And then we'll be looking at the lower time frame to see how price is going to, if we are going to get the candle formation here. So again, price has tested this zone, Bollinger here again, then we have it here again. Let me check for stochastic to back our claims. So we need precision, we need very, very good confirmation before we jump on this trade. Gold can be very volatile. It's a very good region. So here we have it. We need a very good candlestick formation before we can jump on any trade. So let's be patient for gold to do its thing. So that's why a very good candle formation is very important for confirmation. So right now, still looking like gold is retracing for it to give us perfect entry. So you have good entry somewhere, somehow, very soon. Gold is still declining in price. So retracement is fully active. So looking at the charts, definitely have the breakouts somewhere here, and we have new retracements into the few levels. And 1 hour, we have a circle of completion here, coinciding with the first few level. And what we are supposed to be looking out for now is how, or if we're going to get confirmation here on the 5 minutes time frame for us to show. We also have
When you're going to work tomorrow, Richard,
good.
how far?
What's happening?
John, talk to him about it.
Anyway,
I respect.
No,
Yeah, I told him earlier.
I don't bring experiments come from. You don't drop. You really drop. Oh.
I told you, look at
Oh my drop.
we are waiting for the retracement. That's good story.
So this show you is interested in trading.
Oh, okay. So you
So
want to be
who
here?
is going to who we on my account mentor?
That's the channel.
I don't know. I said that.
Yes.
You said I should bring my laptop tomorrow on Friday.
Next Friday.
It's not on Friday, it's not the one time.
Can we do Fridays for like next
So right now it's looking like we're
Checking
having
out
a
all the
rejection,
Friday.
and only 5 minutes it's giving us a vibe. Can't be formation, bullish, can't be right now. Yeah.
Yes. So what we will do is okay, so you can look at Fridays now.
Okay. I think we using the stochastic right now. It's looking like we are currently in the oversold zone, and any moment from now, gold can decide to start its bullish run from here. So, whatever you do, be at alert. Place your SL here, just below this wick, and see if you can ride it back up. And where's our take profit zone? This should be our take profit zone. So using the 1 hour, or let's use the daily. Okay, let's use the daily. So I'm anticipating for price to get to this zone. Yeah, 4196. So whatever we do, let's endeavor to manage our risk properly and continue the buy to the upside for gold. Yes, currently in oversold zone, and advise that you manage your risk properly. Let me put my SL somewhere. Let me use again. I have to be sure. You know, I have to be very, 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 very sure. Let me just 4105. 4105. SL 4105. Yeah. And let's see if we can ride it to the upside from here. Shoot. Yeah. Okay, we're live. Going good. 4105. SL. Buy to the upside. Take profits for the profit is yes 4194. The profit 4194. The profit 4194. 4194. So use a very good, well managed SL according to your account size. profit right now. So this is it. Live. Goodbye. See if it's going to be a profitable day. So manage your risk properly. I think we've come to the end of another session. And before we go, to the left of the screen is Trade 24/7, our partner broker, to be a part of our community, physical community and digital community. Sign up on Trade 24/7, deposit some amounts, and be a part of this profitable community of ours. So our office is located at number 3 Micah Kibewe, Jabi, Abuja. You can as well walk in and start your trading journey with us at Nirvana Financials. From me, it's another beautiful day. Tomorrow, same station. Let's come with our minds open to learn new ideas, new approach, and new strategies to trading in the financial markets. Do have a beautiful day. It's bye for now.